Hey beautiful humans, welcome back to my channel, or hello, welcome. My name is Ella. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. But in today's video, we are going to be creating this makeup look that I have on my face right now using my May Boxycharm. This look is kind of inspired to where it's like, okay, it's summery, so I want something that is bronzy and shimmery look. This lipstick though, it is like too bright for me. If I'm not trying out my Boxycharm stuff, I will be using like a nude lipstick with just like a lot of lip gloss to make it to where it is bronzy and just shimmery, good for summer. But before we head on to the video, I just wanted to say congratulations to our giveaway winner from Instagram and from YouTube. I will be getting a hold of you guys. Probably I already have when I posted this video, but I just wanted to say thank you to all that entered, to everybody that is supporting me. Stay tuned because there are more giveaways that are coming up. I am also planning to do a giveaway when I hit my 200 subscribers. Share this video to anybody that you think will be interested on makeup. So let's go ahead and hit that 200 subscribers and we will be doing a really good giveaway. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, we are starting off with the eyes using Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette using the shade Chocolate Milk, and I am just blending it all over the lid and the crease. This is a cool tone brown. I am go ahead and blend it back and forth. I am doing a voiceover with this video because my microphone was dead the whole time I was doing this tutorial. But let's go ahead and use this Strawberry Bonbon. This is a matte pink. I am using the same brush and I am blending this all over my lid. Now we are going into Ciate London Eye Luster cream eyeshadow, and I am using my Luxie large shader brush and I am just blending it in. I'm also just doing a dabbing motion. I'm also blending it using my finger because I found it to be a lot easier to blend it. Now I am using a clean brush. This is Morphe M139 and I am just kind of cleaning up the edges. And now I am going to attempt to do a wing liner. This is going to be a struggle. I am using my NYC High Definition Liquid Liner. This is old eyeliner. I had this for quite some time now and I never really had a chance to try it out until today. So we're just gonna go ahead and just keep trying. I also put some tape on my eye because I find it to where help me guide to where I want my wing at. And I took the tape out and I kind of end up redoing the other side of the line because I could not get it matched to the other one. So I am just trying. I'm really trying. After a long time of trial and error, here is my finished wing liner. I am never doing that if I'm in a hurry. Okay, now I am just kind of going back to milk chocolate and I'm just adding a little bit more color in there. I think it kind of just got messed up after using a makeup wipe. And now I am going into my Jaclyn Hill palette using this black eyeshadow with a very precise smudge brush. And I am just kind of adding up a little bit more on my wing liner because this wing liner is not very good. It's a little patchy. So I went ahead and do my face makeup. You guys had seen me do this quite some times. Check out my everyday makeup routine and I am going to put a link on the card. But now I am just using my Morphe B18 using Chocolate Milk and Strawberry Bonbon and adding a lower lash line. Now I'm using my Luxie small shader brush. I am dipping into liquid eyeshadow and I'm putting it really close to my waterline. And now I'm tight lining with an NYC City Proof 24-hour liner. Now I'm just brushing off my powder, just kind of blending everything out. We are going to be contouring using my Benefit Hoola bronzer with a small contour brush, and I'm just gonna do a slight contour. Now I'm just kind of blending it in, make it a little softer. Now we are going into bronzing. I'm using my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer on the shade Deep Bronze, and I am using a angled brush. We like it very bronzy since it's going to be a summer look. Now we're going into my Alamar Cosmetic palette using the Paraíso and putting it right on my cheek. And now I am going into Sriracha. I don't know if how you say that. I am just using that as a blush topper because it has some shimmer to it and add a little bit more coral on the cheek. And now we are going into ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter and a fan brush. And this one on the shade On the Cusp. This is a Kathleen Light collaboration with ColourPop. I'm using my finger to add a little bit more highlighter on my cheek because we wanted it to be poppin'. And now we are going into this Mellow brow that we got from my Boxycharm, and we are just kind of filling in our brows, just doing it real fast. Now we are highlighting using the shade Champagne Truffle, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. And I'm also putting the same shade in my inner corner. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of contour on my nose, nothing special. Okay, now we're going to be curling my lashes, getting ready for mascara. We are going to be using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. Now we are going into Dose of Color liquid lipstick on the shade Talk is Chic, and we're just going to put that on my lips. Now I'm just adding up some of that highlighter on the middle of my lip to make my lips look a little fuller. So here is my finished look. I just wanted to give you guys some thought of my May Boxycharm. We're gonna go ahead and make this short. First of all, I wanted to say that this lipstick is super bright. Dose of Color, you make a really good lipstick. It applies very easy to the lips. It dries very matte. I love how this lipstick dry. I will definitely try out some of their nude. Definitely going to be checking out. Also, I wanted to say real quick, I've been using my Glam Glow Gentle Bubble wash over here. I've used it every morning because if I use it at night, I felt like it doesn't clean my face the way I wanted it to be. It feels like there is still soap on your face, but no soap on your face. Like, it doesn't make you feel super dry. It hasn't given me any issue with my skin, so I keep using this in the morning, and yeah, I like it. Another thing that I love that I received in the box is my Alamar Cosmetic palette here. This is my blush trio, and you guys probably known how much I love this already. I don't know the Ciate London liquid eyeshadow. It looks good on your eyes though, but like my eyelid is super greasy. I have an oily eyelid, and now that I'm just sitting here trying to finish up my makeup, I had to like fix it up quite a bit because when I close my eyes, I would have like a patch of shimmer right in the middle. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with this. I like how this look turned out. Another thing that I like is the Mellow brow. This one, I think that this is a really good brow product. I definitely found this to be a little drying. Like, I had to go over same spot over and over quite a bit, but I think that this would be really good for like a beginner because it gives you more control because the product is not so creamy and wet. This is really good though because it has a spoolie at the end, and I like how it is retractable and it has that triangle end on there. So overall, I do like what I got in my box. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me if you guys like this kind of video to where I would do my unboxing, and then 2 weeks later or a week later, I'll do a different full makeup look talking about product, telling you guys what I think about the box. Tell me if you guys enjoy that or if you like that. If not, then I'll kind of switch it around to where I will just do a full makeup look using the box and not review the product. But yeah, or leave any comments and suggestions what you guys want me to do on my future videos. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye!